Hi folks, welcome. Today we're working with a really rolling pattern. The theme that we're working with is keep flowing. So I found a pattern for us today that really makes us want to just stay in that flow and keep flowing, flowing, flowing. If you're familiar with the 3-3-2 pattern we might have already looked at, then you'll get the concept of this, but it's a little bit different. Instead of 3-3-2, it's actually 3-3-3-3-4, which sounds really complicated, but once you see it, it's actually not complicated at all. Let me just demonstrate what that will sound like, because I feel like that's a little bit easier than trying to explain. Here we go. Faster, really feels like it's getting kind of on that rolling ball. So what we're doing here is we're working in these little triangle shapes. So my first triangle is ding, note 1 and note 3. And all I'm doing is I'm playing 1, 2, 3, and then my left hand is coming up to play on the ding here, right? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And we're just naturally shifting. So first of all, you want to get used to playing like that. And I think for most of us it comes quite naturally. But actually, once you get that in your muscle memory, you don't have to count 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 anymore. Then you can actually just instead start to count the number of times you've played the ding, because we need to break that pattern in order to make it fit into a 4/4 groove, right? Because we've got 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3. That's 12 strikes. And we want to get up to 16 so that it fits, it divides into 4, right? So then we're going to play 1, 2, 3, 4. And that 1, 2, 3, 4 looks like this. It's a tack, a little space, and then 2 little ghost notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, right, left. Right, right, left. Right, right, left. Right, right, left. And there you have it. Okay, so then the count will be this: 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we've got that tap, taka. Yeah, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and tap, taka. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and tap. Play that with me. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and tap, taka. 1 and 2. 3 and 4 and tack, tack, go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and tack, tack, go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and tack, tack, go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and tack, tack, go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and tack, tack. As usual, the notation for this is available for anyone on any paid tier on my Patreon page, so if you want to see this written down, you can go over there. Once we've got that, all we need to do is move that shape. The order of the hands doesn't change, the rhythm doesn't change, everything stays the same, it's just the shape that we're making. So instead of coming here with the 2 hands, we're coming here with the 2 hands. We're still starting on the right. Just sounds a little bit different. Start to switch. Switch. Not having to think. Surprisingly, actually more challenging than I expected to be. Nice. So there are your 2 levels there. You can either just stick with these little shapes and really get comfortable in that and just meditate with that, keep flowing with that. That's a really nice one for just kind of getting that breath in there as well and really just honing in that attention and focus into what you're doing and how you're breathing and how your body feels. Or if you feel like an extra challenge today and you just want to like get into flow state rather than like flow of breath, you can start to move around and challenge yourself. Alright, cool. I hope you enjoyed that one. And yeah, see you in the next one.